Alrighty, YouTube. Welcome back to another video. It's Mr. Fire Alarms here again, and we're on the walk. But anyway, our washing machine's having weird issues, so I'm gonna take a video of the weird issues, and we're gonna see if you can diagnose it or at least give me some advice. But anyway, it's an older performance series. It's got the all over it from a long time ago. Cycles. Let's push to start pull to start, push to start. So the problem is when the thing stops from spinning, that happens. And I'll show you that again, but if you heard that, that was a very loud bang. And we aren't quite sure what it is, but we do know it's not good. So, I mean, I don't even know how old this washing machine is, but it's probably from the mid-1990s or early 2000s. I don't really know. But here's the matching dryer with a bunch of crap piled on it. Nice and in there. Light still works. But anyway, this spray rinse finish. And oh, it didn't do that time. Strange. Well, anyway, it doesn't do it every time, but it does it most times. So, please help.